Hello together and welcome to my next weekend update on the financial markets. Let's start directly with S&P 500 index. The MACD has crossed. We have moved down 3 weeks in a row now. Now a counter move to the upside. I think it's only a counter move before we will continue further down to the weekly support level where I want to load myself up with long positions in S&P 500, but we will see. The daily we can see this counter move a bit clearer, and at the 4 hour time frame you can see what I don't want to see. I don't want to see price break massively above this and make a correction to it. That could be a sign that we will see higher prices and that the weekly downtrend already ends here at this support level. Wouldn't be the greatest case. I mean, this uptrend was really long and strong, so I would expect a similar strong and huge correction for this impulse. Yeah, let's look further on US oil. Still above the monthly downtrend line. The weekly correction got also broken to the upside. At the daily, we can see the daily correction that happened so far and touched the weekly downtrend line. But I think if we see this massive correction that got broken to the upside, I would like to see a little bit bigger move or correction before breaking out again back to the upside, maybe to this white daily uptrend line. In the 4 hour you can see it a bit clearer. We had this blue dotted uptrend line that got broken to the downside, is currently retesting this downtrend line with this prior resistance, and I would like to see price bounce here and make the second wave to the downside before starting the move back up. Yeah, if we see price break this, correct, and break it again to the upside, I would like to buy above this taken out correction that will happen then. Gold, on the other hand, still looking long term very bullish. At the daily, we can see that we had a cross in the MACD and price followed, or price moved down and the MACD followed like you wanted. And at the 4 hour, you can see that we had this support and resistance zone, and currently we are making a correction into it. I hope we will see, like in US oil, also the second wave to the downside and maybe meeting this 200 moving average and the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. There would start probably buying some gold, getting a foot in the door for the next rising prices periods, because we maybe see some weekly correction. So this was the first weekly impulse, then now we'll follow the first weekly correction and then the next weekly impulse, and I want to have some gold in this trading account for taking profit in this following weekly impulses. On BTC USD, yeah, we can see we had a couple weeks in a row with declining prices. The MACD is also about to cross every moment. I hope he will. At the daily, we see that we're in this consolidation phase. There's a possibility that we will range a bit sideways before breaking up to the downside without seeing lower prices. But my favorite scenario would be that we have seen this triangle fake out to the upside, real breakout to the downside, counter move to the upside, so a correction in the overall bearish move, and then first impulse, correction, second impulse, and around that level I would probably start collecting some Bitcoin, and here at this point I will get heavy loaded for the next big impulse to the upside. Yeah, oftentimes after the halving, price movement isn't that bullish like expected, so some people will sell the weak hands, and yeah, from there the holders, hodlers, and smart traders will get more positions in, and then we will ride prices back higher. That's for the weekend update this time. Next weekend I'm on the island Madeira in Portugal, so no weekend update for this. We will see us the week after. Have a good one. Bye bye.